everyone, in today's video I'll show you guys how you can activate LED flash notifications on your iPhone. Well, it's quite easy. All you have to do is get to your settings, and from here scroll down. You can tap on accessibility. So after doing that, scroll down a bit and you can see the option of audio and visual under the hearing. Tap on audio and visual, and from here scroll all the way down. You can see the option of LED flash for alerts. Tap on it and you'll have to simply tap on it and enable it just like this. Here you can see two different options: flash while unlocked. So if you want to get the LED flash even when your phone is unlocked, you can enable it. And if you want to get the flash even when your phone is on silent mode, you can also do that by simply tapping on it and enabling it. So you can simply go back, and when you get the notification on your phone will have flashlights. I'm going to show you guys just how it works. Here you can see I got the flash because somebody has sent me a message, and just like this you'll be getting LED flash when you get any kind of notifications on your phone. And that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.